Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, recently I created this YouTube channel for the purpose of posting and uploading forex related content. And guess what guys, I really need your support. You can actually support by subscribing to the channel, liking the videos, commenting on the videos, and also sharing them. If you do any of those, I will personally appreciate you, and thank you so much in doing so. So moving on, in this video, if you check your screen, you'd see I'm currently on my MetaTrader 5 and I'm currently in a running trade on Volatility 25, and you can see we are currently in profits. So let's head straight to the charts. See, we went for a sell, and this trade has actually been running for like a week now, 7 to like 8 days. But with no further ado, let's get straight into today's video. If you check the thumbnail, you'd see it says how I was able to flip $150 to $1,000 on Crash 500 index. So this happened on Crash 500 index, and this happened like a week ago. So before I head straight into today's video, if you would like to follow signals, if you don't like to trade on your own, like to follow signals, you can actually follow me on Telegram on my channel, where I drop my personal trades and I also drop signals. You can on Synthetic basically, so you can follow my Telegram channel. The name of the channel is SFX Signal, so you can actually follow the channel on Telegram. Just head straight into Telegram and search for SFX Signal. So currently this is the Crash 500 index. I dropped it on the group chat, and even this current running trade I showed you guys on Volatility 25 index, I also dropped it on the group chat. You can say sell Volatility 25 at this particular price. And yeah, so with no further delay, let's head straight into today's video. So in this video, I will be like explaining to you all I was able to make this perfect entry on Crash 500. I'll be sharing the strategy I used and my whole setup. So let's get straight into the video. So on my MT5, so currently, as you all can see, I'm currently on $1,000 plus, and on Crash 500 index. If you check the chart, you see my entry. I currently don't have a take profit because I believe price will still go for a very long trend. So that's why I've not like set it a particular TP for any particular price. So if you check my stop loss, is very quite tight. So currently I have like 11 positions, and per position I actually risked $13.90. That's about $14. So if you calculate $13.90 times 11 position, that's about $250. Yeah, so literally I'm risking $150, and currently I'm in the profit of $1,168. So that if I'm to deduct my risk, I'm currently on $8,010. So let's head straight into the strategy. So yeah, I actually was waiting patiently for this entry, and I think this entry was about, let me check the time. In my time, it was about 1 a.m. in the morning, and that was like my sleeping hours. So I actually waited patiently for this entry because I knew it was going to go for a very long trend. Yeah, so let me go to the higher time frame. So in the higher time frame, you would see for a very long period of time the market has actually been doing a downtrend. Let me draw the trend. It has been actually going for a downtrend, as you all can see. So when price got to this price, there was a change of character. And how do I identify change of character? For example, you can see price has actually been doing series of lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. And once price got to this place, there was a change of character and it started making, and the whole trend reversed. There was a reverse in character and started making higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. So I knew price has actually changed the trend. There was like a reverse in trend. So I knew it's time for me to start looking for buy setups. So initially, when price was currently at this level here, I was looking for a buy, but I actually missed this movement and it was so painful because if we were to look at the normal price action, if you all understand price action very well, we would know that in trends it might be a downtrend or an uptrend. There's always levels of support. Yeah, so if we were to draw support in this uptrend, let me draw the series of support that are available now. So there's a support here. So once price breaks this structure here and breaks above, we are expecting the price to retest the structure, which is a support, and we would all we want now is to look for a buy entry, buy setup here. So I actually missed this entry and it was really painful. So I actually waited for price to break. I waited for price to break this structure here and come back to retest it. And boom, price did what exactly I wanted it to do. So once I saw price already getting a retracement, I waited for the price to come and retest this here. And once I found out that price had actually retested and started consolidating in this support here, I knew price was going to respect this support. So I went straight to the smaller time frame. Let's go to like 30 minutes or 50. Let's go to 15 minutes. So if you can see in 15-minute time frame, we saw that price was actually consolidating. Price was consolidating for a couple of minutes. That's about like 2 to 3 hours. And price actually broke the consolidation here. Let me draw a small trend line. I'm coming. Yeah, I'm coming. Copy. Yeah, so you can see, as you all can see, there was like a series of consolidation in this range, and price broke above this consolidation. I could have, if I was an aggressive trader, I would have entered immediately. Price broke above this this consolidation, but actually I just wanted other confluences. I wanted other reasons for me to buy. So immediately price broke this consolidation. I was hoping for a retest. Then price came to retest and consolidated again, and also broke this consolidation. So let's draw a trend line. One thing about break and retest strategy, price could actually break above or below. But in all my analysis, I knew that price is currently in an uptrend, so I was not expecting it to break below. If it actually broke below, I would not have entered the trade because this setup is not aligning with my initial strategy. I was hoping for charts to break above. So immediately I saw price broke above here and came back to retest, I entered immediately at this price here. And I entered, I set my stop loss. Let me clear the trend. Let me delete them. Let me delete this trend. Delete. I set my stop loss below this consolidation because I am a very patient trader. I wait for the perfect entry because I don't want to risk too much because I have a Telegram channel, and I'm just like growing, and most of my traders are people with small accounts, so I don't want to risk too much, and I also don't want my subscribers to risk too much. So that was actually been like a driving force to my strategy, which is a sniper entry. I enter perfect trade, like perfect entries, so I have to have minimal risk. So if you check my risk, I'm actually risking $13.90, which is about like $14 approximately per trade, and I have like 11 positions. So as in total, I'm actually risking $150, and so far I've been able to. I'm currently in $1,132. So I'm not going to close this trade now. In conclusion, I would say as a trader, you have to be very patient. You have to be spontaneous as well. You also have to know when to enter and know when to exit. So if I'm going to exit here, I would wait for like if I'm going to exit here, I'll wait for the price to start having like little consolidation here, and if I'm seeing like a change in character in the lower time frame, like in the 5 or 1 minute time frame, I would exit. So but currently I'm still going to leave it for price to hit. So one thing I do is I have like key levels. I think I might just like going to do like another video on how to set key levels. So I have key levels here. So I'm hoping for price to get to this level. Once it gets to this level, I see the reaction of the market. If it's about to change character, if it's not about to change character, that will decide my decision if I'm going to like enter, if I'm going to like take my profit or leave it to stay like buy. Alright guys, so here's a screenshot of when I was about to close the trade. I closed the trade with a profit of $1,600, and by the end of the trade I accumulated a total of 1,600 pips. That means 149 pips per trade, and I remembered I opened 11 positions, so 149 pips times 11 is accumulating to 1,600 pips. Alright, so thanks for watching this video. I hope to see you in my videos. So if you're just joining for the first time, please like and subscribe, and share the videos. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for returning to my videos. I really appreciate it.